Hi, I'd like to talk to you about a procedure that really works to improve female sexual function. After years of having the medical industry spend billions of dollars on male sexual function, now we have the Cliovana machine, which focuses on the clitoris, the only organ that's sole purpose is pleasure. Let me show you how the Cliovana procedure works. And I'll start with a little bit of an anatomy lesson because many of us don't know that the clitoris is not just that little button that we focus on right here, but also has nerves that run, we call them the legs of the clitoris, run down either side of the labia and then also up and out. So this treats the whole body of the clitoris. And by using sound wave technology with a gentle vibration over a 10-minute treatment, the Cliovana machine brings new blood vessels in to help stimulate those nerves around the clitoris and improve orgasmic frequency and just the perception of more powerful and more pleasurable orgasms for women who are noticing that that's declined over age. So I'm going to walk through how the procedure works, and I've had this done myself. It's painless, doesn't require any cutting, any needles. It's actually quite pleasurable, to tell you the truth. There are 3 elements to the treatment. If you were having this done, you'd be in our comfortable chair. The first element uses suction to bring blood flow into the clitoral area, and I'll show you what that looks like on my arm. Just a gentle suction, as you can see. This goes on for 2 minutes. And you can imagine after 2 minutes of that gentle suction over the clitoris, there's a lot of blood flow. So we want the clitoris to be really engorged with blood before we start with the sound wave treatment. The second part of the treatment, because it is sound waves, is very loud. So I'm not going to talk while I'm doing it, but I'll show you what it looks like first. This is the adapter that's applied not only right over the visible part of the clitoris, but also run down either side, those very important legs of the clitoris that I was talking about. And it makes a rather loud vibration, so I'll show you what that sounds like. Now those are those sound waves, which of course make sound, but you could also see that it generates a pretty vigorous vibration that's breaking down the tissue and stimulating microscopic tissue damage on purpose to bring in new collagen and new blood vessels to help stimulate the clitoral nerves. The third part of the procedure also uses sound wave technology. A little bit of a faster vibration. You can see what that would feel like. Now on the patient, that's placed right over the glands of the clitoris, just held right there, again for about 2 minutes. Patients actually find this quite pleasurable, as you can imagine. We just talk through it, but the whole thing, 10 minutes or less. So what the second 2 parts of the procedure are doing are causing microscopic tissue damage. We're breaking up the tissue to bring in neovascularization, or new blood vessels. So collagen comes in, healing bodies come in to create new blood vessels that stimulate the clitoris to become more sensitive. The nerves are more sensitive because they've got new blood vessels coming to them over time. Of course, this takes time, which is why we do it 4 times in a row. And then patients notice an improvement, sometimes immediately. I know when I had mine done, I actually walked out of the office feeling a very sensitive feeling, and the results last for several months. So some patients find they last for 6 months or sometimes even longer. When you come back to have the touch-up treatment, you only need the 2 treatments just 1 week, say Tuesday, Thursday at lunchtime or before work. And that can go on over time just to keep the clitoris from becoming devascularized, insensitive, all of those things that can happen with age. So this isn't just a procedure for postmenopausal women or women who are over a certain age. Any woman who has a perception of decreased orgasmic potential, or if she's just not feeling as much sensitivity anymore, maybe after childbirth, could benefit from this. Certainly women who are around menopause can benefit from this. Really any woman could benefit from this. Studies have shown that 60% of women are not happy with their sex life, so we don't want you to be one of them. Come in, visit with us. You can give me a call here at Complete Midlife Wellness Center or visit us at drsusan.com, and we'd love to see you here in the office. We look forward to it.